The Native Tales laundry detergent sheets have zero waste. They're supposed to be powered by plants with no mess. The ones I have are fragrance free, but I believe you can buy them with scent. Provides up to 60 loads. It's not tested on animals. It's for standard and high efficiency machines. Great for travel. Pre-cut and pre-measured, and they're hypoallergenic ingredients. Here's a list of the ingredients. Here's the manufacturer's information. You can visit their website for some more information. The directions are simple. Add clothes to your washer. Remove the sheet according to the load size. If you're doing a medium load, you only need a half a sheet. Full load, 1 sheet. And if it's very, very heavily soiled or extra large load, you can use 2 sheets. And for front load washers, you put them in the detergent dispensers. For top loaders, you put them on top of the clothes. Simple. Nicely packaged. They have a little tear in them if you only need to use half of a sheet. It's easy to tear in half. So if these sheets work, just think of how much this is going to save on transportation, because you're carrying a lightweight product through transportation. It doesn't take up much space in your laundry room. It doesn't take up much space in your shopping cart. And there's no big plastic jugs to throw away or water to tote around, especially if you live in an apartment. You're not going to have to carry something heavy, and if you're limited on storage, this doesn't take up much space. I'm doing a large load, so I'm going to add 2 sheets. Look how fast that's dissolving. I'm not going to have to worry about detergent clumps left on my clothes. Amazing. And that's just warm water. That was easy enough. I like easy. First load looks great. No laundry residue seen on any of the washed items. I got something on my pants today at school. I have this slight stain right here. Hope you can see it. It is on the right leg of the pants. Let's see if this detergent gets it out without any pre-treating. I have no idea what it is. I teach middle school, but there were no kids there today. Could be anything. I also have a little smudge of what I think is the makeup on the cuff of this jacket. This is a smaller load, so I'm only going to use 1 sheet this time. I actually put the cuff of the jacket here, and I'm going to just let the detergent get a little bit closer to the yellow pants and the stain on the jacket. Good luck! My pants seem to have no stains on them, so I think it works on that. And the cardigan has no makeup on either cuff, so it worked on the makeup. Yay! Good stuff. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.